So let's just see the example number 3. It says that find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1 and x plus 5. So let's just start finding out the remainder of the very first part. So in the very first part we have x plus 1. So in order to solve it, let's just substitute x plus 1 is equal to 0 in order to find out the 0 of this particular polynomial. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let us suppose I'm taking, so x is nothing but is equal to minus of 1. So using x is equal to minus 1 in the remainder theorem. So using the remainder theorem, the remainder can be, using the remainder theorem, the remainder is nothing but p of minus of 1. It means we have to substitute minus of 1 in the whole polynomial. So after substituting minus 1 in the whole polynomial, what we are getting? Minus 1 whole cube plus 3 of minus 1 whole square plus 3 of minus of 1 plus of 1. So we are substituting x as minus 1 into all these values. Minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 3 x. In place of x we are using minus 1 whole square plus 3. We are taking x as minus 1 plus of 1. Now let's just solve it. Minus 1 whole cube is nothing but minus of 1. Plus of 3 minus 1 whole square is obviously plus 1. So again plus minus is minus 3 plus of 1. So this is minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus of 1. Again minus 1 and plus 1 get cancelled with each other. They both get cancelled with each other. 3 positive 3 minus 3 get cancelled with each other. So what we are getting? We are getting the remainder as nothing but is equal to 0. So the answer for the very first part is the remainder that we are getting is nothing but is equal to 0. Now let's just talk about the second part. The second part is x plus pi. So let's just substitute x plus pi is equal to 0. So the value of x is nothing but minus of pi. So again using the remainder theorem. So by the remainder theorem, substitute the value of x in the polynomial. So substitute the value of x in the polynomial as p of minus of pi. So it is like minus pi whole cube plus of 3 minus pi whole square plus 3 minus of pi plus of 1. Now let us suppose this value would be minus of pi whole cube plus of 3 pi square minus of 3 of pi plus of 1. So this is nothing but the remainder of this particular polynomial. When we will divide this polynomial with x plus pi, the remainder would be of the type this. So this is p of minus of pi. So the remainder after getting or after dividing these two polynomials would be minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus of 3 pi plus of 1. We cannot solve it further because there is no such terms that are like. So it means this would be remain as it is. So the remainder is minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus of 3 pi plus of 1. So this is all about finding out the remainder after dividing these two polynomials or these two polynomials using the remainder theorem.